Well, a protest that was supposed to make noise today has fallen flat. The Reservation Hatao Andolan had received Delhi police permission to gather up to 500 people at the Ram Leela ground. The venue itself was a fallback. Police had earlier denied permission for the protest at Jantar Mantar, but despite a strong push on social media, especially Instagram, to mobilize supporters, ground visuals show nearly no one turned up at the Ram Leela Maidan today. Well, let's get a ground update from my colleague Arzu Seth, who joins us on this broadcast for the latest on this. Arzu, can you give us the numbers that were present at the Ram Leela Maidan today? The organizers had sought permission from the Delhi police to organize a protest against a reservation, caste-based reservation policy of the government and in the education system. And today was supposed to be this big protest. The Delhi police granted them access, but we are getting visuals of empty grounds.
Of Reservation Hatao Andolan is concerned, at the Ram Leela Maidan the number is 0 right now. I am present at the place and would like to show you the visuals from the venue where the protest was about to happen, but we are showing you the empty ground right now. Just police have prepared themselves in case the protesters reached here, because the police have urged the protesters to move to the shift their protest from Jantar Mantar to Ram Leela Maidan, as there were a huge number of protesters that were gathered. Also, Delhi police have given the no objection certificate for a peaceful protest under the Reservation Hatao Andolan at the Ram Leela ground. And also the NOC allows a maximum of 500 people to gather at the venue until 4 p.m. and also this comes after police said that no permission had been granted for the protest at the Jantar Mantar site. So after that they were allowed to come at the protest site, but they refused. Also Delhi police and the CRPF is present right now at the venue to ensure that in case the protesters come, but as it's now 4:09, the time to protest has also been now completed with the permission which was granted by the Delhi police. But as far as the protesters are concerned of Reservation Hatao Andolan, what they have to say is that the Jantar Mantar means Jantar Mantar, and this is the old tactics to divide the protesters. But we are going to stay at the Jantar Mantar. We will be holding the protest peacefully and will also try, and if you can, please give flowers to Delhi police. So this is what the Reservation Hatao Andolan protesters has to say, and they denied moving from Jantar Mantar to Ram Leela Maidan. Yes, over to you.
All right, thank you so much, Arzu, for that ground update. Let me in fact bring in some more breaking news coming in at this hour. Well, there's a fresh development on the ground at Jantar Mantar, however. Locals are now reporting that permission has been granted for the protest to go ahead at the site. Visuals also show that barricades put up earlier now have been cleared. This is a notable shift. Remember that the Delhi police had earlier denied permission for any gathering at the Jantar Mantar, which is why the protest was moved to Ram Leela ground. So this is the latest that we are in fact getting for you from the Jantar Mantar. Remember, my colleague Arzu Seth was getting you the latest visuals right now over there, where the Ram Leela Maidan was completely empty. There were no protesters present over there. However, we are now getting reports that at Jantar Mantar, some protesters have gathered. The Delhi police had earlier denied permission for protesters to protest at that particular site at Jantar Mantar. However, now we are getting news that barricades may have been cleared right now. The protesters may have been allowed to enter that particular site at Jantar Mantar, and protesters are in fact making their way towards that particular protest site. Let me go across to my colleague Javed Hussain, who joins us with the latest from Jantar Mantar. जावेद, जंतर मंतर पे क्या प्रोटेस्टर्स अब पहुंच चुके हैं जो रिजर्वेशन हटाओ आंदोलन के लिए प्रोटेस्टर्स गैदर हुए हैं? क्योंकि रामलीला मैदान का हाल अभी हमने देखा वो खाली था, क्या वो सब जंतर मंतर पे हैं सारे प्रोटेस्टर्स?
देखिए, इस वक्त जो है जानकारी यही कि वो इस वक्त जंतर मंतर पे, हालांकि उनको आरक्षण हटाओ के इस आंदोलन को लेकर उन्हें रामलीला ग्राउंड की परमिशन दी गई थी दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से, और 4 बजे तक की ये परमिशन थी। 4 बजे के बाद से उन्हें वहां से हटना था, लेकिन जिस तरीके से यूजीसी में अनियमितताओं को लेकर और आरक्षण को लेकर कि आरक्षण को पूरी तरह से हटाना है और आर्थिक के लेवल पे, यानी कि आर्थिक चीजों को देखते हुए आरक्षण देना, यानी कि किसी भी जाति या किसी भी धर्म में अगर कोई आर्थिक स्थिति उनकी सही नहीं है तो उनको जो है आरक्षण दिया जाए। जिस तरीके से हाल के दिनों में कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी ने जो है लीक यूजी स्कैम पेपर लीक मामले को लेकर उन्होंने जंतर मंतर पर प्रदर्शन किया, उसके बाद जिस तरीके से हिंसक रूप लिया, वो कहीं ना कहीं काफी दिल्ली और इसके अलावा पूरे देश में काफी चर्चा में रहा, क्योंकि इसमें कई लोग इंजर्ड हुए। उसको देखते हुए कई ऐसी जो प्रोटोकॉल और कई ऐसे दिल्ली पुलिस ने कुछ नियम भी रखे हैं जिसको लेकर किसी तरीके का कोई भी हिंसक रूप ना हो और ना ही इससे किसी भी प्रदर्शन से दिल्ली की ट्रैफिक, खासतौर से नई दिल्ली का इलाका जो कि पूरा लिटिल जोन्स इलाका होता है, उस पर किसी तरीके का इफेक्ट पड़े। और ये आरक्षण हटाओ आंदोलन को लेकर जिस तरीके से दिल्ली पुलिस ने कहा कि 4 बजे तक की परमिशन है और वो रामलीला ग्राउंड की परमिशन दी गई है, लेकिन रामलीला ग्राउंड में ना जाते हुए जो आरक्षण हटाओ को लेकर जो ये पूरा एक बैनर के तले जो ये पूरा प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, ये जंतर मंतर पर अलग अलग तरह के जो है पोस्टर देखे गए। और अब हालांकि जहां एक तरफ दिल्ली के नई दिल्ली में ही कांग्रेस के विपक्ष नेता राहुल गांधी का जो प्रदर्शन चल रहा है सीजी में जिस तरह से लेकर जो पूरा मामला था जिसमें पैलेट गन को लेकर, वहीं दूसरी तरफ अब आरक्षण हटाओ का जो है उसको लेकर दिल्ली पुलिस है कई चीजों पर ध्यान रख रही है कि किसी तरीके का कोई भी जो है प्रदर्शन हिंसक ना हो सके। इसी के लिए जो रामलीला ग्राउंड की परमिशन दी गई थी, लेकिन फिलहाल अभी नई दिल्ली में अगर हम दिल्ली पुलिस की बात करें तो दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ साथ नई दिल्ली को पूरी तरीके से अलर्ट पर रखा गया है कि किसी तरीके का कोई भी जो है राजनीतिक हिंसक या प्रदर्शन के दौरान किसी तरीके